Legends of Learning presents the Continuum Codex game. This is a U.S. history game that makes learning about early foreign affairs fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, rips in the space-time continuum have occurred during George Washington's presidency and continue through the War of 1812. Travel back in time and repair these rips by ensuring history unfolds accurately. Declare your neutrality. Refuse to give in to the demands of France and Great Britain, and ensure the American flag remains flying after the Battle of Fort McHenry. Use the W, A, S, and D keys to move the character, to complete different tasks, and learn more about the history of U.S. early foreign affairs. Select answers, and complete mini-games to move on to the next level.
Then John Adams attempt peace with France. They get there unscathed.
Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.